Welcome to Autumn Asia, Cambodian style. Look at these guys. That guy was cool. He even went and got his little dog or his little sister. Isn't he such a nice big brother?
Musim gugur di Asia. Asia
What we have over there is a 100-day ritual there. After somebody has died for 100 days, they get together and just kind of make sure that he makes it to where, or she, the soul goes and does what they need to do. But you can see here, this is the riverside, duh. Oh, some things don't need to be translated. This guy catches a little fish, and you can see his buddy just busting up there. Yeah, some things are universal, but anyway, this is a little park in my neighborhood, and it gets really busy in the evening. People just doing work, kids playing. It's been really cool out lately. I mean, the days get hot, but it's been really relaxing along the riverfront there. I took a cruise up river earlier today, and there was some larger parks on both sides of the river, and it was just fantastic. I'm gonna have to go take some more video up there, and it was really enjoyable. Some really nice looking parks. But close to the parks also, here's what you got is your local drive-through food shop, and he's got his pickup truck. And I was told when you see them aluminum pots and pans, there's going to be some good food. So, gotta hurry. Gotta get home. Gotta hurry. Okay, yeah, we'll go back to the park here. I was just crossing the street. Just crossing the street, that's all. And here we go. And coming close to one of my favorite places, one of my favorite food carts to get something to eat, right along the river there. But first we got to cross the street, and I'll show you it. Okay, just cross. Just start walking. Or else you can be there all evening. But this here, right here, is one of my favorite places. My favorite lady to cook my fried rice. She does an excellent job. I really enjoy it. And there she is. I don't even know her name. She doesn't speak any English. I don't speak Khmer. But I just point to what I want to eat, and she knows what's going on. And I eat over there in the kindergarten section. And here's a menu. Don't need to translate it. Just look at it, point at it. Oh, shrimp tempura. I didn't know. And then she snuck up on me again. Look at that. And if you're not in the mood for that, this is the pizza guy here. Wood-fired pizza. Check him out. Does he look like a pizza guy? Oh, heck yeah. Yeah, check that out. And this guy is like really smiling at me weird. But we'll just take a walk through the park a little bit more, and you'll see a lot more of these food stalls, food stand, whatever you want to call them. Oh, look at that. Freshly barbecued. Barbecue on a stick. How better can you get? Yeah, yum. And I'm getting closer to the old market. I get a lot of food stalls and things like that around the old markets and around temples. I decided to cross the river to show you. The water is really high, just down about a couple of thousand yards there, if that. Is the dam, so they got the dam closed, and the water is really high. And there we got two bridges there actually, and well, three. The one I'm standing on, we got wooden pedestrian, and then we have a concrete vehicular. And looks like that boat has been sailed. I got stuck on the other side of the river talking to a young gentleman fresh out of college, political science, and they have a lot to say, so it started getting dark when I crossed back to this area. But there's the pancake lady. She's very attentive at her job. And this is just about across the street from the old market. And right there's the corner of the old market. It's pretty darn big. You can get lost inside, and just about everything you want in there you can go ahead and get. And yeah, like I said, you'll get a lot of these carts out by the markets and by the temples. It's a popular place. And you can see going down the street, all the way down the street, you got these food carts, and it keeps on going for quite a ways, several blocks. So yeah, just stop and grab something to eat on the way home for the family, and yeah, real quick, you can feed a family of 4 for about $6-7. And well, this is just me showing off here what my camera can do. It's actually very dark out, not super dark, but it'll get a little bit darker here, and I'll show you. But I could hardly see the lady in there, kind of. And this is getting a little bit greeny and grainy, but the color still kind of came out pretty good, I thought.
Hello, you want to be on YouTube?
And yeah, there's still a lot of people here. It's totally dark out, 7:30ish. People just hanging out, having fun, talking. Families having their dinner out there, and just having a great time. Look at all them motorbikes there. And this this was really dark, but if you're still here, thanks a lot, guys. I really appreciate it. Y'all have a great day now, okay?